how to stake on Tangem Wallet. Now if you want to stake on Tangem Wallet, now what you have to do for that is, first of all, make sure to launch the Tangem Wallet app. Once you launch the Tangem Wallet app, simply select the token you want to stake, such as Solana, and then after that tap on the stake option. So once you select Solana from here, you just want to tap on the stake button that you can see. Once you've done that, review the information about staking the token, including the APR, unbonding period and reward schedule, and then just tap on the stake button again from the bottom. Then after that, simply enter the amount you want to stake by simply entering them here and then tapping on the next option. Once you do that, tap ahead and then choose a validator. Validators are listed by APR offered, and Tangem automatically recommends the most profitable validator, but you can choose any from the list that you want. Then after that, you can tap on the continue button after choosing a validator. Then after that, you just need to tap on the stake to proceed with the transaction. Then once you've done that, you just tap on the stake button to proceed with the transaction. You can enter your access code, biometric ID, and tap your Tangem wallet to sign the transaction. Then after you've done that, you can tap the close button. You can also track your staked assets on the asset page when you come here, and then you should also be able to claim your staking rewards later on, because these can be automatic or manual depending on the blockchain network. In some networks such as Solana, rewards are compounded to the staked amount, but you have to claim it manually by unstaking SOL. And this is the way on how you can stake on Tangem Wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.